What size ratchet strap do I need? That's a question I get a lot, and today I'm going to go over some straps with you here and show you what you're going to use, when you're going to use it, and why you're going to use it. We're using our smart straps here today, and we're going to start with the green, which is a 500-pound safe workload, and it's a 1,500-pound brake strength. Typically, the safe workload is 1/3 of the brake strength, and you want to make sure you go off the safe workload and not the brake strength. These straps, they are rated to fail somewhere around the 1,500-pound mark. These are not made for hauling a side-by-side. We're going to step over here into these orange straps, and these are 1,000-pound safe workload, and the way you know that is because this one has a tag on it. Now, what do you do if the tag isn't on it? Sometimes if you look, like if you look at this one right here, it says right on this one, 1,667 pound safe workload, right on the ratchet. If your ratchet doesn't have that labeling on it, one thing you got to look at is how big is the ratchet and the strap itself. If we look at these two right here and we compare these, the 500-pound is definitely not near as robust as the 1,000-pound. If you look at the strap, you look at the ratchet, you can see there's a difference. Now, what happens when we come over here to this one? This is a 1,667-pound safe workload, and this is a 1,000-pound. You can see just by jumping that little bit, the size of this one, your hooks are going to tell a different story as well. As you start going up in the size, the ratchet, the hooks, and the strap are all going to go up in size. This here is the minimum you'll want to use, the 1,000-pound safe workload, and I would use one of those on every corner. You want to use 4 of these straps. I know technically on paper it says 1,000-pound safe workload, your side-by-side's 2,000-pound. You use 2 straps, you're good to go. I always like to overcompensate. I like to make sure that I do the safest thing possible whenever it comes to strapping down my ATVs and side-by-sides to know that they're going to get to where I'm going without falling off my trailer. The nice thing about the Smart Strap lineup is they're color-coded. The green is 500 pound, the orange is 1,000 pound, and the yellow is 1,667 pound and up. If you go to Tractor Supply or Lowe's, you're going to see that Smart Straps has a complete display and they have all the poundages right there. This next one I want to talk about is one that's grown in popularity over the last few years because it's very easy to use, and that's the retractable strap. They have the 500 pound, there's a 1,000 pound. My personal feeling on a 1,000-pound retractable strap, it's great for ATVs. I personally would not use this on a side-by-side. I would still stick with your traditional ratchet strap just for the strength, safety, and security. There's nothing wrong with the retractables. At the end of the day, I just really like to know that my load is safe and secure, and I think the standard ratchet strap is the way to go. You can get these at Home Depot, Lowe's, several other retail outlets, or you can go to smartstraps.com. You can get 15% off of anything on their website with my personal code, Fishers15.